What's up YouTube, it's Sal at Better Locals DIY. Have you guys ever wondered how they make bottle openers? Well, today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how we do our bottle openers. Alright guys, so this is the wood that I use. It's pine. Came out from that pallet right there. This actually my laser engraver does a really good job with this kind of wood. This is not that hard, it's kind of soft. So I usually make mine, I'm gonna go ahead and rip it right now. I usually make mine from 4 to 4.5 inches wide and 11 inches long. Remember, safety first, your lungs, your eyes, and your ear. Alright guys, now comes the fun part, the engraving part. So I'm using a universal engraver. So what we do, so I'm gonna get it with my other hand. So we're gonna open up the software that I use is T2 Laser. This one, it's not a free software. I paid $39.99. I'll put it in the description if you guys are interested. So you go ahead and go to your folder, open it up, and then here you look for the image that you want to do. So this one is going to be a tribute to Vince Scully, the long broadcaster of the Dodgers, Los Angeles Dodgers that is, which is my team. You open it up, and then you got to go and size it. So this is in millimeters. So right now, the way it took it, it's at 221 millimeters, which, you know, 25 millimeters equals an inch. So I'm gonna do it at 85 millimeters, and then it generates it for you. So you go back into it again. So it's gonna be 85 by 157. So what I do, I did a test run right here. This is how it's gonna look. I mean, it's on top of another one. So what I did at first, I did it 100 millimeters by 185, but that's too big. So I'm gonna cut it down to 85 by 145. So then once you center it right there, you come here and you create a G code. Generate G code. You put yes. So then back here is generating it. So it's going a little bit faster. So this is gonna probably be like 3 inches by 6, something like that. Nope, I don't want to save it. So then right here, you come over here and you center it. See, so right there it's telling you that's the center, and then it's gonna start up more like in the middle. So again, like always, safety glasses, safety. Right here, you send the G code, and it does it. So look away if it bothers your eye. So this one is gonna take about 40 minutes. So I'll come back because I don't even know if it's good for us to be looking at that light even on the phone. So I'll come back and show you pieces of it. gotta do a little bit of cleaning up. That will clean up pretty good. And there's a Yankee logo. Alright, so now paint is next. So there we go, guys. Just like that, we got 2 bottle openers. So please, if you like the video, like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which one you like the best. Thank you.